It's a 2013 Cadillac XTS. This is a flagship vehicle in every regard. From impeccable details to the meticulously crafted interior, this chiseled beauty is elegant throughout. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, memory exterior door mirror settings, UltraView Express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, V6 engine, 4-wheel drive, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, ultrasonic park assist, and automatic transmission. Cadillac embodies a passion for performance, craftsmanship, and innovation. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.